Namaste children, welcome back in our science class, and today we are going to complete the question answers of chapter 6, that is insects. So children, we have already completed the explanation section and this is the time to complete the question answers. So first of all we will do the fill in the blanks, then after true and false, then after take the correct option and then answer in brief. So let's start one by one. First of all, fill in the blanks. So the first question of fill in the blanks is, this is chapter 6, insects. So fill in the blanks, that is A. Fill in the blanks. So the first one is, butterflies are attracted to dash flowers. Butterflies are attracted to fresh flowers. Butterflies are attracted to fresh flowers. Number 2. Honeybee sucks dash from flowers. Honeybee sucks dash from flower. Honeybee sucks nectar. Nectar from flower. Question number 3. The six-sided chambers of beehives are called. The six-sided chambers of beehives are called, and the answer is combs. C-O-M-B-S, combs. Question number 4. Malaria is spread by the bite of female. Malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Anopheles mosquito. Number 5. The cover weaved by the silk moth around itself is called. The cover weaved by a silk moth around itself is called cocoon. That is called cocoon. And the last one is number 6. Bees and dash are stinging insects. Bees and dash wasps are stinging insect. So this is the fill in the blanks. Let's go to the next section. that is true or false? That is true or false? Column B, true, false. Question number 1. Insects help in pollination. Insects help in pollination. So children, this is true. Yes, insects help in pollination. Then lac insects grows on banyan tree. Lac insect grows on banyan tree. This is also true. Lac tree used to grow on banyan tree. Now the third is house fly spreads. House flies spread malaria. This is false because malaria is spread by mosquitoes, not housefly. This is false. Now the fourth question. Fourth is Aedes mosquito spread dengue. Aedes mosquito spreads dengue. This is true. Aedes mosquito used to spread dengue. Now fifth option. Fifth is bubonic plague is caused by mosquito. Bubonic plague is caused by mosquito. This is false because bubonic plague is spread by fleas. So this is the true false section, and now we are going to do section C, that is tick the correct option. I will write only the right answer. Tick the correct option. Number one, the insect that usually spreads jaundice is the insect that usually spreads jaundice is the four options are there, and the options are mosquito, wasp, housefly and butterfly. So we are knowing the correct option, that is housefly. Answer is option C, housefly. Now comes the second question. Honey bee make honey from. Honey bees make honey from. And the options are lac, nectar, milk and sugar. And the right option is option B. This is nectar. Now question number 3. The sting of insects. The sting of insects. The sting of insects, like the bees and wasps, is located on their, and the options are A. wing, B. back, C. mouth and D. leg. So the right option is B. back. The right option is B. back. The sting of insects like bees and wasps is located on their back. Now comes the fourth question. The fourth question is, an insect that helps to save our crops from pests. An insect that helps to protect helps to save our crops. Save our crops from pests. From pests is the, and the options are A. wasp, B. ladybird beetle, C. bee and D. butterfly. And the right option is option B. It is ladybird beetle. Option B is the right answer. That is ladybird beetle. That's why it is called a useful insect also. So children, the 3 sections are completed, and now we are going to go do the question in brief. That is column D. Answer the following question in brief. Question number 1, that is D. Question number 1 is, what is pollination? What is pollination? And the answer is, insects used to sit on flowers where the pollen grains stick to their wings and legs and get transferred to another places. This is called pollination. Insects used to sit on flowers where the pollen grains stick to their wings and legs and get transferred to another places. This is called pollination. Now the next question, where do bees store the nectar? Question number 2. Where do bees collect the nectar? And the answer is bees store the nectar. Store the nectar. Bees store the nectar in combs. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, name the insect that gives us silk. Name the insect that gives us silk. What does it feed on? What does it feed on? And the answer is silk moth. The insect which give us silk is silk moth. It feed on mulberry leaves. It feed on mulberry leaves. Now the last question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is, name the diseases that get spread by the house flies. Name the diseases. Name the diseases that get spread by the house flies. The diseases which get spread by house flies are diarrhea, then cholera, and jaundice. Etc. we can say also. The diseases which get spread by the houseflies are diarrhea, cholera and jaundice. So this is section D. Today we have completed up to group D, and in our next class we will complete column E.